Our joints are amazing. They are the unsung heroes of our bodies, working tirelessly every day. They allow us to move, bend, and enjoy life to the fullest. From the simplest tasks to the most exhilarating activities, our joints make it all possible. Imagine not being able to walk, dance, or even hug your loved ones. The thought alone is daunting, highlighting just how vital joint health is. That's why taking care of our joint health is crucial. It's not just about staying active, it's about maintaining our quality of life. As we age, our joints naturally experience wear and tear. This is a normal part of aging, but it doesn't mean we have to accept discomfort. This can lead to discomfort, stiffness, and reduced mobility. However, with the right care, we can mitigate these effects and stay active. But don't worry, there are natural ways to support your joints and keep them healthy for years to come. A balanced diet and regular exercise are key. One powerful approach is incorporating specific supplements into your routine. These supplements, like Glucosamine, Chondroitin, MSM, Turmeric, and Boswellia, have been shown to support joint health effectively. These natural remedies have been traditionally used to support joint health. They can help reduce inflammation and improve joint function. In the following sections, we'll dive deep into each of these supplements, exploring their benefits and the science behind their effectiveness. Stay tuned to learn more. Let's unlock the secrets to lasting joint health together. Your journey to healthier joints starts now. Glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM are often hailed as the holy trinity of joint support. These three compounds are frequently recommended by health professionals for their combined benefits. Why? Because they work synergistically to promote cartilage health, reduce inflammation, and improve joint mobility. This synergy makes them a popular choice for those looking to maintain an active lifestyle. Glucosamine is a natural compound found in our cartilage. It is essential for the formation of glycosaminoglycans, which are vital for cartilage structure. It plays a vital role in building and repairing this cushioning tissue, ensuring that our joints remain flexible and resilient. Chondroitin, also naturally present in our cartilage, works alongside glucosamine to attract and retain water, keeping the joints lubricated and shock-absorbing. This hydration is crucial for joint function. MSM, or Methylsulfonylmethane, is a sulfur-containing compound that supports collagen production, a key component of healthy cartilage. Collagen is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of our joints. It also boasts potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce joint pain and swelling. Numerous studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of this powerful trio. Research consistently shows their benefits in joint health and mobility. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that glucosamine and chondroitin combined provided significant pain relief and improved joint function in people with moderate to severe knee osteoarthritis. This highlights their potential in managing joint conditions effectively. Turmeric and Boswellia, revered herbs in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda, offer powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic, pain-relieving properties. These herbs have been used for centuries, not just for their medicinal benefits, but also for their role in promoting overall wellness and balance in the body. Turmeric contains a potent compound called curcumin, known for its ability to combat inflammation at the molecular level. Curcumin's effectiveness is enhanced when combined with black pepper, which increases its absorption in the body, making it even more beneficial. It helps reduce joint pain and stiffness, making it a valuable ally for those with osteoarthritis. Regular use of turmeric can lead to significant improvements in joint mobility and overall comfort. Boswellia, extracted from the gum resin of the Boswellia serrata tree, has been used for centuries to address inflammatory conditions. This ancient remedy is often found in traditional formulations aimed at reducing inflammation and promoting joint health. Its active compounds, boswellic acids, have been shown to inhibit pro-inflammatory enzymes, effectively reducing pain and swelling in the joints. These compounds work by blocking the pathways that lead to inflammation, providing relief from chronic pain. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that Boswellia extract significantly reduced knee pain and improved physical function in individuals with osteoarthritis. This research supports the traditional use of Boswellia and highlights its potential in modern therapeutic practices. These findings highlight the potential of turmeric and Boswellia as safe and effective natural remedies for joint health. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can lead to long-term benefits, enhancing your quality of life and promoting a healthier, more active lifestyle.